Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fluffy cornbread, only way. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F, grease an 8-inch cast iron skillet, and set aside while you mix. Whisk 2 cups cornmeal and 1 cup flour with 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. In another bowl, combine 1 cup buttermilk, 2 large eggs, and 4 tablespoons melted butter, then fold wet into dry until just combined. Start by whisking dry ingredients thoroughly to distribute leavening evenly and prevent lumps. Combine wet ingredients in a separate bowl, then pour into dry mixture and fold with a spatula until just combined. A few streaks are okay. Overmixing develops gluten and yields dense cornbread, so stop when batter looks uniform. Let batter rest for a few minutes while the skillet heats to ensure a quick oven spring and crisp edges. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. On another note, a quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers and playing music while you bake, and it brightens your kitchen routine. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like the suggestion. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully transfer batter to the preheated hot skillet to get a crisp, golden edge and immediate oven spring. Bake at 400 degrees F for roughly 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick inserted near the center comes out clean and the top is golden brown. Remove from oven and cool on a rack for about 10 minutes so the crumb can set. Slice and serve warm with butter or honey for contrast and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.